Hi, welcome to another one of our reviews. Today we're doing a review on a product made by Streamline, and it's a coiled curtain track basically. Simplest of things. In all the time I've been doing DIY in properties and for other people, it's rare that you come across a product that is so well designed and easy to fit. This was £13.98 available from Amazon. It is one of the best designed products that I've come across, literally. Yeah, ease of fitting and the way things clicking and design, brilliant. So what do you get in the box? Let's get rid of this. This is left over from the other thing. So in the box comes the instruction leaflet, and really well written. Shows you everything that you're going to need, literally everything, and how to do it. But it's so simple. This. You get a box of these that slide on the track. Let me show you. Sometimes I find it easier if somebody shows you stuff. So you'll see a bit of a slope on this track. Yeah, that points to the ceiling. Yeah, and you literally push that bit on. See from the back, and it does click on. It just clicks on when it's there. You go. And that's how it slides when it's on. On each end of your track, you put one of these, and again that slides on. You do that screw up, yeah, and you put your last hook in there. That stops the curtain coming away. Most people will know that, but if you haven't put curtains up before, you won't know that. And it's probably a bit odd coming from a bloke, but I've put a few curtains up. The thing I liked about this is that you need a spirit level, and you draw a straight line with a pencil so you can get rid of it. You need a tape measure so you can space your brackets, which are these. Yeah. You need a Phillips screwdriver. Screw them in. In a lot of homes they already have a wooden batten across there, so you'll just literally screw these into it, mark them up with a drill, wood drill bit. If you're going into masonry like we have there straight onto the wall, you'll need a masonry drill bit. I've put them away now on there, and that's it. To cut your curtain track to the required length, I put mine up first and then cut it, so I knew I was fairly accurate with it. You can use a hacksaw, or if you're really particular, you can use a plastic saw, prize cut from Screwfix. That cuts plastic. Right. So this is the track up. When you're putting it up, before you put it up as well, so remember the bit with the slope goes to the ceiling. Yeah. Just put it across there and straighten it out a little bit. Yeah. It just helps. Just get used to the heat in the room, to be honest. But the thing I like about it, when they're screwed up, they go on the wall this way. There's a little tab here. You see that? It hinge swivels. Right, so they go this way up. So that is pointing to the ceiling, and your tab should be facing down like that. Okay? So that's screwed on the wall. And what I loved about it is you make them level like that, and you literally push in there and twist. It's locked on. So when you've got all your brackets up, you literally take this along, push it on, and literally twist that. Good thing about this, if you want to take them down or clean them, it's just so easy. It's just like, struggling a bit here because of the, look how easy that is, and that would be your curtain track on the wall. So Streamline, congratulations for designing a brilliant product, and it really is a brilliant product. So easy to use, so simple. I'd give it 10 plus. That's for design, well packaged. The other thing that I liked about this, see these end caps that go on the end? They came with 4. Good thing about that is, come with 4, so you could use it for a long window like that, and then another perhaps short window in the landing. So for £13.98 it's good value. You can get additional ones of these. There is plenty supplied. You can see how many supplied with a kit. There's loads of stuff. Screws are okay, raw plugs, everything you need to put it up really. So yeah, now that I've used this product and I've not come across it before, the only curtain trap that I'll be buying, and we're not affiliated to Streamline or anything like that, will be this product for ease of use and quality, and it is good quality as well, make no mistake. Anyway, I hope that helps you if you're looking to buy some curtain traps easy to put up, no nonsense, well designed, and really should last your lifetime. Thanks for watching.